Hello everyone! Welcome back to my channel on Torres TV. Nag-stop over muna ako dito para magkape. Medyo inaantok ako. Mayroon pang maneho ng inaantok sa expressway.
Meron tayong pupuntahang concert today. Sa mga di po nakakalam, marunong po akong kumanta. Di lang po ako marunong mahiya.
Ang boses ko po ay pandayo. Pero wag lang po lalayo. Before the driver's waiting for me, this time, he cannot. Today I'm going to prepare Mexican team, the land of tequila. Did you know that tequila is made from blue agave? Did you know? Me, I don't know also. They have also popular beer called Corona. Did you know why they put lime on the bottleneck? To keep the flies from getting into their beer. Ganun pala yun? Kala ko dati nililunok ang lime kasama ang beer.
Finally, I'm done and I would like to say thank you to all my viewers and my subscribers.
But wait, may nagpa-picture pa. Kaunting kalaman, alam niyo ba ang boteng ito ay gawa-gawa ko lamang? Opo, tama po ang inyong narinig. Ito po ay bote ng isang mineral water na nilagyan ko ng sticker. At ang laman ay 2 bag ng tsaa para mukhang tequila. At sana ay magustuhan nyo ang presentation ko today. Ito po si Kianin na nagsasabing ang buhay ay weather, mukhang lawin!
Thank you so much for watching my videos today and I hope na-enjoy nyo po ang aking presentation. Gusto ko lang pong i-shoutout yung mga sumusunod, si Ate Medi and Richard Molera, my number 1 supporter in Dubai. Shoutout din sa iyo, Nino Magahis sa pagpapahiram mo ng gitara. And from Extra Strong, Dasmariñas Cavite, yan. Si Turn, si Consi, si Tic-Tek, si Kuya Lito, si Kuya Art, si Joseph, si Imbeng, yan. And sa aking kapatid na si Julius Torres, thank you sa beautiful introduction na ginawa mo. And nakalimutan ko i-shoutout last time sila Kuya George, sila Ate Melda, si Asinit at si Ninya, at si Edward Go. And to all my colleagues in Cedar Tree, especially the driver na nagpapa-shoutout, sila Shahid, Gulam, Maher, Elias, GM, Majid, and Mosa. Yun. And bago po ako magpaalam, gusto ko lang po sabihin na people will disappoint you, but God never will. He will never break your trust. And this is Onin Torres. Peace out.